So why are you for Hillary instead of Bernie?
Well, my daughter, Emma, has really crystallized it over the last 4 weeks. She's 18 years old, and all of her girlfriends were for Bernie.
Right.
All of them. I mean, and her too. You know, she's even from the New England Patriots, which I can't stand.
What?
Lord.
No, I disinherited her.
Okay.
Yeah,
Whatever.
okay, that's
Only
It
Robert
happens.
Kraft adopted her.
Yeah.
That's a problem. He's
Yeah.
got more money than
He's doing well.
It's terrible.
No, I doubt that.
No,
Poor guy.
it's true. You know, whatever. And just she said to me that when Bernie said Hillary wasn't qualified, they took that a little sexist, you know, just like, how could the Secretary of State, 103 countries that she visited, two-time senator,
Right.
you know, First Lady, civil rights lawyer, not be qualified? You can say he's not right for the job, but so then all of a sudden every day I'm getting the emails when your kids become Sherlock Holmes. Why doesn't he turn in his taxes? What happened with the 1990 election, you know, whatever, where he won after he lost because the NRA went against the other candidate. These guys, like that, I don't know what kind of lives they're having these days.
Right.
And I'm getting information, and you know, then they send me Paul Krugman's article, and Bernie's numbers don't add up. Then
So a lot of reasons.
The Daily News. I mean, that was like, you know, his positions are fantasists. That was the tipping point, I think, for a lot of New Yorkers.
Yeah.
And that's why I don't think he's having any momentum.
Mike?
Harvey's daughter, I mean, I mentioned off air the ripple effect, and I've picked up from several different people over the past couple of weeks that Bernie's continuous and sometimes unhinged assault on Hillary Clinton has, I think, got a lot of women to react in the opposite manner that Bernie saw it, that they are looking at him now saying, you know, well, and now they're going back to Hillary Clinton.
Yeah. On the women's issue. I mean, as a young 18, first-year time voter. But I'm telling you, my daughter Emma was like, free school, free lunch. I don't have to talk to Dad. I don't have to pay those student loans back. You know, she was all. I said, don't worry that I'm in the 85% tax
I was going to say,
bracket.
Dad